Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and these pillows are the most popular pillows on my couch. They are the Cheer Collection cylinder pillow. They come in a set of 2, and this is the gray color. They come in so many fabulous colors, but I picked the gray because it really went with everything else on my couch. These pillows are soft and super supportive. They have washable, removable covers with an invisible zipper. And when I say invisible, it's really hard to find the zipper, but the cover comes off easily and cleans, and you can just put it right back on again. So that makes these pillows invaluable. The fact that you get a set of 2 makes it such a great value, and they don't just look good on my couch. I can put them on my bed. I feel like there's so many different places you can use these. They work for propping my book up. They work for leaning on. I've had a lot of people want to sleep with these pillows when they're staying at my house. Like I said, just really comfortable. They're beautiful, washable, and very, very stylish. So if you're looking for all of that in a pillow, you're gonna get a set of 2 of these pillows. I highly recommend them. They are so fabulous, comfortable, and stylish. You will not regret it, and that is my point of view.